Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, the #1 place for all things beauty, hair, fashion, and lifestyle. It's Lady M here, and today we're getting into my November Boxycharm unboxing. This is supposed to be the Luxe box, and so that's what we're gonna be unboxing together in today's video. I'm super excited. I always look forward to the Luxe box because you get more products, and I'm excited to see what it is that I got. So we're gonna be opening this up together. My box is still sealed. So let's go ahead and get into the Boxycharm November box. Before we do, if you aren't already subscribed, then make sure you hit that subscribe button down below to become part of the Lady M fam. While you're there, turn on your notification bells to be notified whenever I upload new videos. All right, guys, let's jump into the unboxing, shall we? Okay, so I just went ahead and broke the seal on my box. So let's open her up. And ooh, this is what the packaging looks like. I swear, every month Boxycharm just gets like, there's nothing in here to protect this, like this one little sheet of paper. All right, so let's get into this box. I'm just gonna rest the box right here. And of course, I have my little insert, and this is Boxycharm invite only. And it says, shop our annual holiday blowout sale now and score up to 80% off retail. Get a free gift valued at over $40. New deals will drop all month long, but hurry, gift quantities are limited. Shop now at boxycharm.com. And this says it's the Boxy Beauty Bash. So that's what this box is. Again, I will be sure to include the total value of this box in the description, and it will come across the screen, so we'll know what we're working with this Boxycharm box. Again, also all the details about Boxycharm is going to be listed in the description box. And I don't really want to say anything in the video because I know that they're in the process of changing some stuff. But either way, you have the base box, the premium box, and the Luxe box as of now. And I usually get either the base or the Luxe box. And so that's what we're gonna be unboxing today, is my November box. Okay, so let's see. I'm like so nervous to see what all I got. Okay. I can already tell you that this is not it. Okay. All right, so this is the first thing that I'll pick out. Is some skincare, and this is the Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cleanser. This is what the packaging looks like. Yes. I like the color of the bottle. It's a nice squeeze tube bottle, and that's the goat milk cleanser. If you like milky consistencies with your cleansers, then this is going to be a good cleanser. I have used this before in the past and I did not like it. Matter of fact, I think I didn't even finish it. I probably returned it, or I probably finished it and I never repurchased it. I just never felt like my face was clean because it's so milky, and I don't really like that. Like, I kind of like to cleanse and have this squeaky kind of clean, feeling on my face, and I never really got that from this. It's very moisturizing. So if you have dry skin and you don't mind like a milky kind of cleanser, then this will be a good cleanser for you. So what's the tea with this? It's a gentle daily face wash that's formulated to cleanse and soothe without tightness or irritation. Its enhanced non-foaming creamy formula removes makeup, dirt, oil, and impurities while maintaining skin's radiance and essential moisture. This retails for $40, and I do think that it does do all of those things. However, that is not something that I personally like. So this is going to be in the no pile for me because it is not a new product to me. I have used it before and I did not like it. Okay, so let's put that away. There's another big old thing right here. And I have another toner, and this is from Glow Oasis. And this is the Milk Dew pH Balancing Moisture Milk Toner. It's with vegan probiotics, prickly pear extract, and it's clean and effective. No artificial colorings, no toxins, no phthalates. Yeah, Glow Oasis is the brand. Do your skin a favor, 2-in-1 toner and moisturizer that softens and nourishes with a unique, lightweight, milky texture that leaves behind a dewy finish. So again, we here with this milky kind of texture that is just not my jam. Wow, this packaging is very nice. This is what the packaging looks like. I like it, very chic, white writing, and this peachy kind of, I don't know, thingy going around. So yes, you could totally see that this is definitely a milk toner. Again, I am not a fan of anything milky. I don't really like it. I just feel like sometimes it leaves a film and I don't really like that feeling. So this definitely, I could probably see that it is a pH balancing moisture toner because it does seem like it's going to be very hydrating. It is sealed. That's what it looks like. Can't really smell anything. Yep, so again, I pass. This is not something that I will be interested in trying. That's gonna be in the giveaway pile. Okay, so Glow Oasis Milk Dew pH Balancing Moisture Milk Toner. Give thirsty skin a drink of Milk Dew. This toner meets moisturizer, features a blend of apricot kernel oil, soybean extract, and cica extract to deeply hydrate, condition, and soothe the skin. And I know that cica is gonna be something that helps with redness, calming, soothing, you know, irritated skin. It's the perfect energy boost needed to revitalize dull, dehydrated skin. With its pH balancing formula, this vegan toner improves the skin texture and tone. It also helps to remove any last traces of dirt or excess oil that can cause breakouts or irritation. This retails for $34, and this brand is new to Boxycharm. Okay, next up, I have this thing from Trust Fund Beauty, and this is Better Than Therapy Lip Oil. This is what the packaging looks like, and it has gluten-free, cruelty-free, and it is vegan. So what does this say? I guess it's a lip oil. Oh, how cute. It has a little sparkles in it. I don't think you're able to see. Can you guys see the sparkles? Like when I turn it, do you see the sparkles? Ooh. Okay, so this is just a clear lip oil. All right, it's rough out there, but lips don't need to be. Take a minute for some sexy self-care with Better Than Therapy Lip Oil. It's infused with therapeutic vitamin E to give your pout some TLC. It's both a lip treatment and a delicious clear gloss. Use alone or as a perfect topper for lipstick and lip liner when you want an ultra juicy look. Okay, and this retails for $18. Leaping Bunny certified, cruelty-free, 10 non-toxin, 10 free non-toxin, 100% vegan, gluten-free, made without formaldehyde. I was wondering to see what kind of oils they had in here, but it didn't really say. Okay, it says independently female owned and funded. Okay, girl power. That's nice. So that's a possible keeper. And then I have two more things in here. And this one is Vitamask Nourish Flower Nectar Biodegradable Mask and Glow Juicy Berries Biodegradable Mask. So it's two masks. One is the flower nectar and one is juicy berries. Okay, what does it say on the back? It says, wash and cleanse your face in preparation for applying your mask. Remove the mask from its packaging and place it tightly on the face, avoiding the eyes and lips. After 20 minutes, remove the sheet from the face and gently pat your face to let the remaining essence absorb into the skin. Okay, it's a natural probiotic and adaptogenic sheet mask made with vitamin C, niacinamide, and superberry complex. That includes raspberry and blackberry to brighten and improve uneven skin tones. And this one, the flower nectar, is made with multi-peptides, ceramides, probiotics, and flower extract. And this one repairs the skin. Nourish and repairs the skin. Pretty dope. It's biodegradable, so you don't have to worry about, you know, destroying the earth that we're really working hard to save. So that's pretty dope. Let's talk about this. This Nourish is a probiotic and adaptogenic mask with multi-peptides, ceramides, and flower extracts such as cherry blossom, hibiscus, and orange blossom to nourish and repair. Glow is a natural probiotic and adaptogenic mask with vitamin C, niacinamide, and a superberry complex, including raspberry, blackberry, goji berry, mulberry, to brighten and improve uneven skin tones. These masks are biodegradable, and the MSRP for these are $18. And again, this is from the brand called Vitamask. Never heard of them before, but Boxycharm always seems to be providing us with stuff that we've never heard before. And last but not least, I have a eyeshadow palette here, and this one is from Violet Voss, and it says Violet Sunset. And I used to love Violet Voss back in the day. This is a 10 color eyeshadow and pressed pigment palette. This palette retails for $37, and this is a Boxycharm exclusive. So that means you only find this at Boxycharm. It says, get your Dolly Days of Magic Hour with the Violet Sunset Palette, a color story inspired by the magical colors of the sunset. Your eyes are sure to be the main attraction. It provides iconic everyday warm neutrals and complementary pops of colors to achieve all the looks you desire and more. Experience Violet Voss addicting formulas in the perfect mix of mattes, shimmers, metallics, always pigmented and extremely blendable. Now, I have to say that in the past, when I have used Violet Voss palettes, they were pigmented, they weren't dry, they blended nicely, and they were very pigmented. So that was back in the days. So the packaging kind of goes from this purple to this hot pink to this purple color. Very nice. It has a mirror in the palette. So it comes with this little mirror here. And then it has the shades. So as you could imagine, it's going to have those purples and those pinks as well as those neutral colors. So this is actually pretty dope because you have a dark brown, which almost looks like a black. And then you have this nice color next to it for your transition. And then you probably have a nice transition. I mean, this would be transition, and then this color could be your crease color, outer crease color, whatever. And then you have this lilac color right here, and then you have this nice purple tone kind of color. Then you have a champagne color out, you know, up here, here, yep, there. And yeah, so definitely can go from day to night for sure. And this is the palette. I like this. It's nice, soft, not soft, you know, pretty colored story. Very neutral. Definitely travel friendly because of how small it is. So yeah, that is the last item from this box. And I mean, it was okay. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items, and probably I'm willing to try the lip oil and these masks. That's about it. Definitely gonna pass on the palette. Gonna give this away. I'm gonna give away the toner and I'm gonna give away the cleanser. So I probably say 2 out of 5. Not my best. It's okay, you know. Not a bad, actually. This probably was a very skincare heavy box. This was probably the only makeup that I have in the box. So not too bad. If you're looking to try out new skincare, then that's definitely pretty dope as far as, you know, the items that came in the box. All right, guys, that is it for my Boxycharm November unboxing. Let me know in the comments, what did you get in your box? Do you subscribe to Boxycharm? Is there anything in the box that you would like to try? Or that you would pass on? Because I already shared with you guys the things that I am passing on. So let me know. Let's have the conversation in the comments, below. Let me know what your thoughts are. And guys, don't forget that if you aren't part of the Lady M fam, then make sure you hit the subscribe button to become part of the Lady M fam. While you're there, make sure you turn on your notification bells to be notified whenever I upload new videos. And that's it for today's video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.